Hello, gadgets and tech lovers. Welcome to another episode of Wow Widgets. Today, I have brought you another cool selection of interesting and amazing gadgets that will take your life to another level, save you time, and literally blow your mind. Today's episode features amazing underwater drone, air purifier, Philips soup maker, massage balls, balance board, and much more. Make sure to watch this video till the end so that you don't miss any of the valuable product and gadgets. Before we start the video, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell notification. Thank you. YouCan underwater robot. BW Space Pro allows anyone to capture amazing underwater photography with BW Space Pro's auto-adjust lighting, auto-piloting modes, and a 4K camera. Friendly design of handle with smooth lines, comfortable to handle and convenient to carry. Image stabilization technology smooths underwater video shooting and delivers professional image quality. The maximum water depth for underwater drone is 100 meters. Deep maintenance function, or you can say underwater hoover. Seawater resistant and corrosion resistant. Automatic altitude control. It also uses a large capacity battery for up to 7 hours. It has a 4K mirror and CMOS sensor 4K UHD camera, 130 degrees wide angle lens, camera shake correction, 4PS video and 12 megapixel live photo shooting. Orb massage ball. Smaller than a foam roller and larger than a tennis ball. It's the best of both worlds. The Protec Orb Extreme 4.5 provides an aggressive deep tissue self-massage that allows you to easily and effectively target the areas you need it most. Use it on your IT band, hamstrings, quads, calves, and more. You will enjoy decreased muscle fatigue, increased flexibility, and enhanced performance. The uber portable size of the Protec Orb Extreme makes it easy to throw in a bag or purse and take with you anywhere you go. Multi-directional roll provides focused massage to target areas. Evolve Balance Board. This durable rocker balance board is the ideal accessory for standing desks, offering subtle motion movements to keep your body and mind engaged and increase productivity. Keeps your body and mind engaged, increases focus, improves productivity, and prevents soreness, fatigue, and back pain that results from standing still for hours at the time of your office desk. Fluid rocking motion while standing on the board creates low impact movement that engages stabilizing muscles in the back, core, legs, and ankles. Philips Soup Maker. Now make fresh soup whenever you want. No waiting, no planning, and no additional appliances necessary. The Philips Soup Maker automatically heats and blends your favorite soups in as little as 18 minutes. Make healthy homemade soups, choose what to add without the worries of unknown ingredients found in canned soups. Try making soups like potato, broccoli, tomato, miso, and chicken noodle soup. Enjoy perfectly textured soups and more with a unique blade design. With a 1.2 liter capacity, you can easily make your meal for 2 or appetizers for 4. Air Choice Air Purifier. It cleans air every 10 minutes in 495 square feet large place. Perfect for quickly replacing the air in your bedroom, study, living room, or kitchen with cleaner, healthier air. Extra quiet sleep mode. With the lowest noise level of 20 decibels, it will not interfere with your sleeping, studying, reading, and working, offering you a quiet space with extra comfort. LED light changes in real time based on the air quality. The indicator light for allergies and pets has three colors to keep you informed of your air quality. It is also safe for kids and pets friendly. Comfort Revolution Foam Pillow. A cool combo that's under the heads of more than 10 million people and counting. The Comfort Revolution Blue Bubble Gel plus Memory Foam Pillow marries the cooling sensation of soothing gel with the comforting feel of premium memory foam for the ultimate in cool comfort. The king-sized pillow has a longer measurement, so two side by side are the perfect width for a standard king-sized bed. Versatile in use, this pillow can also serve as a body pillow, providing the multi-positional support you need where you need it. Its easy care cover is removable and machine washable for effortless care. It provides multi-positional support. The king-sized pillow provides versatility options and can serve as a body pillow for multi-positional support. Soothing gel layer provides a refreshing cool to the touch sensation and increased support. Dimensional design promotes restorative relief and relaxation. Cosori Air Fryer. The food cooked in a cosori air fryer contains up to 85% less fat than traditionally fried foods, without losing the delicious tastes and crispy textures. Rapid air circulation cooks your food more quickly than ovens, and with the minuscule amount of oil compared to the deep fried foods. User-friendly design with indicator light, clear tick marks, and a no-slip dial ensure you will never have trouble selecting the settings you want. Mate material will leave you no stains. The square air fryer with slimmer footprint without a compact frame that won't crowd your kitchen. ETL listed and BPA free and featuring auto shut-off protection. The air fryer is just as safe as it is healthy. Removable non-stick coated basket are dishwasher safe. Honeywell Turbo Fan. It is a small and portable personal fan. The small battery-operated or USB-powered fan folds up for easy portability, with a 3-foot air circulation range and a handle for carrying or hanging. This small compact fan makes it easy to stay cooler wherever you go. Honeywell's TurboForce line of fans have an aerodynamic turbo design to maximize air movement, offering the power for intense personal cooling. The Turbo on the go offers convenience of a small fan with power you can feel from 3 feet away. Increase your comfort. Using the fans for air circulation in your home can help increase your comfort and help reduce energy costs as well. Camry Digital Hand Operated Dynamometer. The camry digital dynamometer is engineered as a professional testing device for hand grip strengths, suitable for any doctor's office, physical therapy clinic, engineering lab, or the gym. Adjustable center knob allows the device to be adjusted for different hand sizes and preferences. 19 definable users with options for gender and age to store, along with the ability to save and recall test results for each user. Compares individual tests run for each of the 19 users and displays the incremental increase or decrease from the last record. Each test run is rated weak, normal, or strong based on the age and gender data entered for each user. Easy switch from pounds to kilogram at any time, including for the last recorded data. It is equipped with high-precision strain gauge sensor. The hand dynamometer gives you accurate momentary digital reading of gripping power. Squeeze the hand dynamometer with maximum isometric effort for at least 5 seconds. After testing, the LCD will automatically display the maximum grip value and a grip value status bar showing the status of weak, normal or strong according to the age and gender preset for each test.